So it turns out that journal writing can help you achieve mental clarity, one pace at a time, easing up your mind, body, and spirit. And today we'll look at 7 effective ways journaling can help you achieve mental clarity. Number 1, by expressing your emotions. Expressing your emotions, both the positive and negative ones, is quite effective in journaling when you write about your emotional states. Based on research, it has been found that putting your emotions into words can help to bring healing and clarity. At times, a person may recognize some negative emotions and not know why they are in there. And part of achieving mental clarity in this case is to identify and specify these emotions and giving words to them by journaling, writing them down. You will discover that writing in your journal will empower you to name these emotions, fish them out one by one, and it can then assist you in confronting these negative emotions. It can also help you express positive emotions too, which can really be ideal for your mental clarity. It has also been discovered that doing these kinds of journaling helps you learn more about yourself and helps you also learn from negative experiences that can equally boost your immune system as well. In essence, something that is good for your mental clarity, your mental health, can be equally good for your physical health too. Number 2, by acknowledging your feelings. So journaling can allow you get free enough to flow with your thoughts, flow with your feelings, and write them out without judging yourself. It can really be personal, and you don't have to share them with anyone, as journaling can help you create that safe space that really brings mental clarity. You know, I'll let you in on a secret. One of the best ways to vent is by journaling, because you can literally save yourself from cursing someone out vocally, physically, or in reality by controlling your feelings on paper. I'm not inviting you to write nasty things about someone, but to, put things in perspective. I'll give you an example. I will not let that annoying colleague of mine annoy me. I'm getting all these weeds out of my beautiful garden. Also, if you feel belittled, unappreciated, or enraged, you can skip confining in anyone all the time, in particular, and confine in your journal. Put things in place. Okay? I will not let these weeds spoil my beautiful garden. I will not let A, B, and C ruin my day. I feel sad, yet I will not let that ruin my day completely. Jot it, write it, journal it to your heart's content until you feel free inside. It's safe, it's effective, it will save you from getting reprimanded, to save you from getting into trouble, and most especially, it will boost your mental clarity. Number 3, by expressing gratitude for daily comforts. We've previously talked about the powerful benefits of gratitude in this video, and I'll link it in for you to watch later. So basically, writing in a journal is a very powerful way of expressing gratitude. When you're able to pen down your blessings and the joys in your day-to-day life, trust me, you will notice a massive difference in how you view life, and you will begin to learn how not to take your life for granted, as we also see in this video. As usual, I'll link in all the helpful videos in the description. Doing gratitude lists within your journals is ideal because you can always go back on tough days to look in on your gratitude list and reflect back on all the good that you have experienced and written about. It will help you with your mental clarity. Yes, gratitude lists and gratitude journals are effective for helping to change your perspectives in ways you may not anticipate yet, which are very effective for your mind, body, and spirit, and your soul too. Sometimes the words, thank you, may be all you can say or think or write, and that can be very powerful. I love to say thank you as often as I possibly can, and it allows me to be appreciative every day in every way. I also love to write and type it, and I know that that's the same habit many of us have. By the way, thank you for being here. Number 4, by digesting inspiring quotes and affirmations. Being able to write out your favorite impactful and inspiring quotes and affirmations can act as powerful mental first aid kits. You can instantly gain clarity by writing some of them in your journal to help you recollect what can make you feel safe, calm, cool, and collected. Words of life are true and keeps you sane and directed. Start with simple ones like, I've got this. It's tough, yet I can handle it. It may be bad, yet it's only temporary, and so on. I even encourage you to get into the habit of journaling more by writing affirmations. I know that doing this is one of the reasons I'm able to have better mental clarity today. I love to write and rewrite my favorite inspirational words, quotes, and affirmations. Stuff like, I am the light of the world. I am the salt of the earth. This world is better off because I'm here. I am insightful. I am blessed in every way, and I have a sound mind. The list goes on and is different every time because it can help, even in times of loss. You can write affirmations like, I'm going to make it through it all. Okay? I'm going to help myself to be better. I'm gonna make it one step at a time. One step at a time. I'm climbing my mountain. One step at a time. Stuff like that to help you with the process of healing and to have strength when the storms of life hits. Yes. Number 5, by reflecting on lessons from the past. One of the best ways to let go of the past is to use the past for reference and not for residence, meaning to jog your memory of the lessons you learned and not to stay living in the past. Indeed, the past can provide priceless and unforgettable lessons, and writing these lessons down in a journal can help you get back on track when you find yourself drifting back to the pain of the past. There is no single person who can say they haven't had to deal with some disappointment or some pain from the past. So this it really applies to everyone. There are lessons to learn that will assist one emotionally, mentally, and physically. And sometimes the best teachers are the mistakes we make. So recording the experiences in a journal in a way that shows you how you came through it all, how you overcame, can help you win. Yes, reflection on the lessons from the past that you're able to take note of in your journal can help clear your mind and can help free you from the bondage of your past. You're able to cope better, and it will boost your mental clarity. Number 6, by expressing your creativity. Maya Angelou has a beautiful quote that says, "You can't use up your creativity. The more you use, the more you have." And I very much agree. Most times, we neglect to acknowledge how creative we are. Yet, when we write in our journals, we will be able to spark that light of creativity and imagination that's locked up inside of us. So yes, journaling helps us express our creativity, revealing many inner creative juices that we have inside of us. In fact, there are many creative art journaling ideas, and we'll be looking at those in the third part of this series, so do look out for that. It's going to be cool and fun. Number 7, by creating more positive energy. Yes, indeed, journaling can help you achieve mental clarity by creating more positive energy within and around you. It does this by helping you write down positive and helpful mood boosters, as you're able to now recognize when negativity tries to overpower you. You are able to journal your way out of it as much as you possibly can by overcoming all that with as much positivity as you can generate, as you can muster. I will always create a balance by letting you know that creating a positive journal or having a positive attitude will not necessarily eliminate all your challenges or problems, yet it can help to give you that clarity that you will need to cope and also find solutions. I know positive and power affirmations help me a lot to clear my mind, and it can also help you too. You create a better atmosphere, you create more joy, you release more positive energy. I mean, you really have nothing to lose. You can only gain by doing so, or doing this kind of journaling. So I encourage you, if you're able to, keep a list of positive or power affirmations in your journal, or keep mental post-it notes, something I created. And it's all about having some of this positive energy you journal about also start up in your mind for rainy days, so to say. It helps, it works, and if you really want to have a better understanding of yourself and your deeper thoughts and feelings, journaling is the way to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to tune into the part 3 on journaling. Also, feel free to share your insights with us in the comments. You are most welcomed to do all this good stuff, like, subscribe, and all the good stuff like sharing. I'll talk to you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.